Hi, I'm Helen from Leadoo. In this video, it's about how to authenticate your CRM within our in-app integration tool. So firstly, either your onboarding manager or your customer success manager will already have loaded a template into your account. So you'll see something like this. So these are all the kind of standard CRMs that we integrate with. There are other software that we do, but please ask us about that because we might just need to do some additional setup. So if you are on Salesforce, you can see I've got Salesforce integration entered already in here. So you want to click Edit. Now, if you want to receive any emails for any errors that come through, so that means that a lead has come in and for whatever reason it hasn't flowed through to Salesforce, you'll receive an email about that. So you can select anyone that's actually a team member on the account here. Now, if I step over into the integration builder here, you'll see that the basic flow is already here. And what you need to do is head over to the Salesforce button here, click the drop down and click Authenticate now. So this will pop up this window, and what you'll need to do is go through the steps here and log into Salesforce so it allows the connection to happen. Once that's complete, let your onboarding manager or your customer success manager know so they can complete the rest of the integration setup. And that's all you need to know to authenticate your CRM on the Leadoo platform.